SDEC W Series engine disassembly and assembly precautions. 1. Drain the coolant and lubricant thoroughly before the disassembly and based on the needs of the being removed components. The coolant temperature must be below 60 degrees C during coolant draining to prevent scald by spilt coolant steam. 2. Clean the surface of the removed component when disassembling to prevent dust from dropping into the engine. Otherwise, it will contaminate and affect engine performance. 3. When removing electronic components from engine, shut off the main power switch to avoid components from being burned out due to short circuit. 4. The W Series engine is 4-valve structure. 2 valves near the intake pipe are intake valves, and the other 2 near the exhaust pipe are exhaust valves. The engine ignition order is 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4 and cylinders are arranged 1 to 6 from flywheel end to belt end. 5. During the process of engine assembly, if a certain component is fixed by several bolts at the same time, the bolts must be tightened diagonally across the center point evenly. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to like the video. If you want to see more of these videos, please remember to subscribe.